this is the professional high probability trading exercise for Etsy for the year of 2023, beginning of January to the end of December. We will attempt to do an analysis and explain what is going on for the year and look for high probability day trades and swing trades, both bearish and bullish. So here we go, let's take off. This is February 30th. We'll start the replay. I got the 200 daily SMA up on the board, up on the screen, the 100 daily, the 200 weekly, and I will be bringing in some of the EMAs as well as we go through. So let's get started. We'll start off with January 3rd, moving forward. So right now we have definitely a bearish trend coming down from December. A couple of high volume-ish bear candles gapping down, coming into an indecision candle, gapping back up to a bearish high wave, gapping down to another bullish high wave. Here we go. And look at that, a very big volume bear candle that has engulfed the high wave candle. So definitely still in the bearish trend, hitting the bottom of the 100 daily. Be a good support going forward. Let's see what the next day brings. Alright, inside candle, high wave, bullish, decent volume coming through. We'll go ahead and go to the next. What do we have? Another bull candle, still inside the big bear. Trying to definitely make the bulls are trying to make their way up. See what we got next. There you go, another inverted bull candle, hammer candle, bullish, coming up to the 200 weekly. Going to be hitting some resistance there. At the bull, they're still trying to make an attempt to push forward. Okay, so now we got the bear candle coming in. Volume is okay. Definitely did not close above the 200 weekly. We're still looking to see what's going to happen here. There you go. There's a great, nice bull candle closing above the 200, breaking that resistance, and looks like it's trying to change the bearish trend to be a bullish trend. And go to the next. There you go. There's a bull candle gapping up into a bull candle. Nice retest gap. Let's see where this takes us. Definitely still above the 200 weekly. We can bring in the EMA, see where we're at. There you go. So you got 10 to 20, 50, 100, 200, and 300 EMAs coming in here. So definitely brings in some support for that bullish candle coming through. Let's see what this does for us. So it looks good. Still not ready to do anything. What we're looking for is a bull candle gapping up into a bull candle before we can set up any type of day trade or look for a good day trading opportunity. Okay, there you go. There's your retest. Bull candle had a little bit of retest here on the upper wick. Then an inverted hammer bearish candle, definitely retesting there. Another bull. Decent volume down here. Retesting up. Going through. Let's see what we get. Another bear. A little bit of selling pressure. Okay volume coming in there. Definitely an upward trend still. Let's see what we get. Another bear. A little bit of compression there. Definitely retesting. There you go. There's definitely a kind of a low volume inverted hammer bear coming through. Let's see what this does. It's definitely coming back to some support here. There we go. Bulls are still fighting it out. Still want to go higher. A little bit of buying pressure. A little bit more volume than before. Let's see what we got. Oh, there you go. There's a bull gapping back up to a bull. Another retest gap. Still not what we're looking for. So we'll keep playing it out. There you come back. Bull, kind of a, I guess, highway-ish, high wave, if you want to call it that. Indecision candle. Either way, it's bearish. Decent volume. Bears are not wanting to give up their position. Okay, so bear candle gapping down to a bull candle. Still keeping a lot of compression here. We'll see what happens above all of our weekly averages and simple moving averages. So we'll see how it plays out. There you go, or bear candle. Coming into play there. A little bit of selling pressure. Still not breaking that high hardly at all. Another big bull candle. Still lots of compression there. Everyone's just deciding what they're going to do. Definitely battling it out for position. We'll keep moving forward. You know, another inverted bear candle. A little bit less volume than the bulb coming before it. Still above the 10 EMA. Another bear candle. Really not moving up or down. Staying pretty sideways. We'll see what happens through the sideways motion. Another bull candle. Lots of selling pressure or buying pressure. A little bit of a wick on the top. We'll go through and see what it looks like. We do still have a upward trend. So higher highs, higher lows. See what that takes us. There you go. Another bull candle gapping up. Moving up to the 100 weekly SMA. Still got some room here. See if we can get some action going. Another bull candle. And there comes the bears. Lots of selling pressure, a little bit of volume. It's still making the bulls work. See how bad they want it. You know, inverted bear candle or bull candle, hammer candle on the bull. coming through. Still don't see any good setups. We'll keep moving forward. We started off in January 3rd. Now we're all the way into February 7th. Still no high probability setups that we can see. So we'll keep moving forward. Another bearish indecision candle. Some more compression. A little bit of retesting here going on from the bear candle previous day. There we go. There's a big bear candle gapping. Or it's definitely not gapping down, but filling that gap from the previous retest gap on the bears, our bullish side. Here we go. There's a bear candle gapping down. Nice little gap. We're looking to go bearish on the bear swing trade. We're looking for the white candle gapping down into a white candle. Looks beautiful. Probably be a good day trade. And we'll see what that takes us. There you go. There is a nice little bear candle, good volume. Lots of selling pressure, buying pressure, a little bit of selling pressure. Definitely coming down into the EMAs. Definitely gets a little busy around here. Not too excited about taking any trades, whether it was a 10 EMA setup or any other one. Here we go. Let's move forward. Another high wave candle. Bearish. Decent volume. Still not what we're looking for. Nice compression here. Maybe we'll get a bear candle gapping down here. So we'll see what happens. There you go. Here comes the bulls trying to take their position. Maybe a little S wave. See where we go. Bears are coming back in. Definitely everyone that was over in here got trapped by this bear. Bulls are coming in, trying to keep their position. The bears are still battling it out. More compression. Good bear volume. Be nice to get a bear gapping up above here. We'll see what that happens. There you go. A little bear inverted hammer. Coming across on the moving averages. So next here, coming up on earnings. Maybe we'll get a gap one way or the other there. See if we can get a good swing trade setup. Another bear candle gapping down. Lots of selling pressure there. Good volume. Still not at earnings yet. That'll be tomorrow. Coming down on the 200 weekly. Maybe we'll get a bounce here. We'll see what happens. Either going to bounce here or it's going to just come down, roll over. Let's see what happens. Full candle coming in. Good volume. See if we can get a full candle to close below that 200 with a nice gap. Oh wow. I don't even know what to say about that one. It's definitely a ton of volume, bear volume coming in. Very interesting candle. Wouldn't even know how to play it. day after earnings. Definitely gapped up. Be interesting to see how this plays out. Bear candle gapping down. Still above this 200 weekly. You can still get this bounce here. See what happens. There we go. Bull candle gapping down. Good volume. A couple days after earnings. Nothing that looks really impressive here. We'll keep moving forward. That's a bull. Maybe a doji. Can't really tell. See what we look like here. Alright. Definitely close below the 200. Moving forward. Here we have bull candle gapping down, our bear candle gapping down. So pressure. Definitely got a lot of bulls that are not happy. Go through and see what this does. Bull candle coming in, good volume. Now we're all the way into March 3rd here. Still waiting for a setup. Maybe possibly we'll get a bull candle. It drops down maybe to the 100. We can get it closed below the 100 daily. We got a little bit of gap here, a little bit of open space. Maybe we can do something with that. See what we get. Bull candle gapping up. Good volume. Trapping some bulls, or trapping some bears here. Definitely still hitting that 200 on the weekly there. Alright, very interesting. Bear candle, engulfing bear candle, making those bulls very unhappy pandas. Good volume. Below the 200 weekly. Keep moving. Here we go. Another bear candle. Lots of selling pressure. Good volume. Still below the 200. There we go. Got a spinning top. Bullish candle. Tons of volume coming in. Still didn't close below the daily 100. Nice little retest gap. See. Bull candle coming down to a bull candle. Nice high wave. That would be a good setup if we weren't right there at this 200 daily. I don't know that I would want to take a chance with that. Support there. We definitely want to see that break below there. See how we come out. See where we go here. Bear candle. Decent volume. Selling pressure. Holding their position. There you go. Bear bull candle, high wave. Definitely close below the 200. A good thing we didn't take that as a swing, popping back up or coming down. I guess that's definitely a bad analysis there. Good volume though. I guess we're just going to have to see where this takes us. Bull candle came back in. Close below the 200. Definitely gapped up. Nice little gap. See if we can get a bull candle gapping up above here. Get some open space here. Definitely have some resistance coming down. Have to see how this plays out. We're already into mid-March. Still looking for a good setup. Bear bullish candle coming in, decent volume. Bit of buying pressure. Definitely toting the 200 daily as that support. Through. See what we do here. Another bull candle. Getting some compressor there. Definitely this 200 is holding. Bull candle breaking, closing above that 200. Not real exciting there. Definitely want to see a little bit more. We got an upward trend. See if we can get some bear candles gapping up. Bull candle closing above the 200. Definitely some good strong volume. Still haven't seen anything that I would love to day trade. Maybe a couple gaps that's gapping down here. Nothing that's really a high probability setup as we traditionally know it. You could go back and trade these days, mark them down. See what we got. Bull candle gapping up, closing above the 100. We haven't changed these, but looks like these are still holding as support resistance. We'll just keep moving with it, see what we get. Bear candle. Okay, volume coming through. Another bear candle. Maybe this is going to come up and roll over. I'm sure that's what the bears want to see. It's happened in the past. I'm sure they're going to try it again. Either that or maybe these bull candles are going to, bull buyers are going to come in and take over. See where we go. Bear candle gapping down. Lots of buying pressure. Right back down to the 200 daily. Definitely have the S-curve coming in. Bears are loving it. Bulls are not too happy. Bear candle. Still not breaking that 200. The bull candle. Still got decent volume there. Definitely would want to see it break this 200. We'd love to see some bull candles come in and gap down. We'll see where we go. Bear candle. Bullish candle, I mean. Definitely taking that 200 as a good support. Bear candle gapping up, or bull candle gapping up into a bear. Retest gap, not what we're looking for. We're still looking for that bear candle gapping up into a bear candle. We'd love to see something get up in here with some open space. A little bit of resistance, but space looks good. Price action over here. We need to get above that. Bull candle. closing below the 100. Bear candle. Are we going to come back over and roll back over? Very interesting. We'll see what happens. Oof. Big bear candle. Look at that. Shaved bottom, shaved top. Might have a little bit of a wick at the bottom, a little bit of buying pressure. See, what do we get? Our open is 114.71. So just got a little bit of a wick on top and the bottom there. Alright. Bear candle gapping down. The 200 daily is definitely holding as a true support. Coming into April, still have not gotten a great setup. Bull candle gapping down. Bear candle gapping down into a bull candle. Definitely indecision. Bull candle, good volume. Holding true to that resistance now on the 200 daily. Bull candle. Oh, just look how tight that is. Coming in here, coming down, turns into resistance, pops above there, rolls over, back right down to the 200 daily, pops it back up, right back down, and now that 200 is acting as resistance. Still looking for a good setup. Big bear candle, good volume. Closing down below the 200. Bear candle coming in, we'll keep moving forward. Bull candle. Definitely below the 10 EMA. Good volume. Might have a good morning star reversal. Let's see what happens here. Bull candle. Coming back up to the 200. Bulls are trying to change the direction. Change the trend. Here's the bear. Right there at the top of that 200 daily. Okay, what do we got? Bull candle. Lots of compressor coming in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 2 weeks worth of compressor. Still trying to decide what it's going to do. Bull candle. Holding true to the 200 resistance there. Good volume coming through. Bear candle, indecision, good volume. Okay. Got a bear candle gapping down. Coming up into earnings. Still looking for a high probability swing trade. Day trades, I have not seen a great setup. Some good gaps here and there. And still have to go back and back trade these on the daily chart and see how they come out. Bear candle. Good volume coming down. A little bit of an indecision candle here. Bulls are trying to make a come of it. Still battling. Spinning top. Right before earnings. Maybe earnings will give us a good gap. Bear candle coming down. Trapping the bulls. Bulls are not happy. Let's take a look back here. That's a lot of movement without any great high probability setups. Definitely a little clog here. Let's take that off. Clean it up a little bit. We're still running true with the 100 dailies, 200 weeklies, 200 daily. We have our 100 way up there, not really causing any issues for us there. This 200 daily is definitely holding true that we started at the beginning of January. Alright, let's move forward. Bull candle coming in, dropping down. Could be a good morning star reversal. Next day's earnings. See if we can get a good gap. Tons of volume there. It's earnings day. Tons of selling pressure. Bear candle gapping down day after earnings. Be a great day-to-day trade. Move forward, bear candle. Look at all the values coming in here. Coming through. We are in May. 2 days after earnings. Got a bull candle coming in. Selling pressure, decent volume. I would assume it's going to start building some pressure. Love to pop back up. Nothing's holding anything down from the bears. Wide open. Bear candle or bull candle coming in. We'll just keep moving forward here. Bull candle gapping up into a bull candle. Another bull candle, nice little gap. Selling pressure, buying pressure, a little bit of selling pressure. Coming in, bear candle, a little retest. Golfing bull candle. Come through and see what we have. Bear candle. Decent volume. Is it going to roll back over or is it going to pop back up? Bull candle. Indecision. I guess kind of tie that a high wave if you want. Bear candle. Here's your compressor. Wait to see if it's going to drop down or if it's going to pop up. There you go. There's your bull candle. Really gapping there. Good volume. We're still waiting for a good trade. Coming into June. Bull candle. Bear bear candle, good volume, a little bit of selling pressure. Another bear candle. You got a good descending wave here. Bear candle. The bears are loving it. Definitely on the bearish trend. Coming into June still. Bull candle. Yeah, it's a good bear volume. Bulls are coming back. I would assume everyone that bought up here is taking their profit. Bear candle gapping up. Still not what we're looking for. We got tons of space here. Let's see if we can get some action going. Bull candle. Big bull candle, good volume. Moving up. Let's put on the 10 and the 20. Alright. Keep moving forward. Bull candle. Gapping down. Barely. If we get a bull candle gapping down. That. And then bulls are going to love that if it rolls back over. Maybe we'll pop back up. And a bull candle gapping up into a bear. Good volume. See if we get another bear gap here. And it's filling that gap. Tons of selling pressure. Here we go. A little bit of compressor. Bull candle gapping up. Our bull candle. Here comes the bears. What are we going to do? We'll keep moving forward. Another bear, or bullish. Good volume. Bear coming in. Bear gapping down. Definitely see this rolling back over. Definitely happened multiple times. Roll over, come back down. Keep moving downward. So we started out at what? January at what? 121. It has traded down to 80.97 ish, $81. You would think that you would be moving back up. Let's see what happens. Bull candle gapping down. Good volume. Another bull candle. Definitely another bearish trend. Yeah, a little retest there. Not a lot of volume. Indecision. Bullish candle. Another bear. A little pennant pattern going here. Definitely some compressor. Bears coming in. Volume's picking up. Bullish high wave. Not quite a doji. Spinning top. A little bit of decent volume. Still a downward trend. And the bears are keeping their position. Another bear candle, good volume. Here comes the bulls. Definitely trapping some bears over here. See if we can get something that gaps up. Seems to be a trend here. Bull candle gapping up into a bull candle with the retest. They have not done much at all. When that has happened, the bears have come in and taken them over. Maybe we'll get a bear here. Yeah, a bear will gap up and give us some room. Bear candle. Let's see this gap up. Got a little bit of pressure here. Move forward. Bear candle. Indecision. Bullish. Coming through. Not a lot of volume. The lower highs, lower lows. There you go. Bear candle. I'd love to see it gap up. Not a lot of volume. Maybe we can get one coming. Bear candle, our bullish candle, coming in, coming down to this 200. Bear candle coming down. Interesting pattern there. And it looks like it's just going to roll right back over. And there you go. Does not do what you think it's going to do. Indecision. That bear had some good volume, didn't it? That would have been one of our setups, potentially. It doesn't look promising though, especially with that 200 coming down as resistance. Still didn't close above it. Bear candle. Volume's okay. Nothing great. We got earnings coming up in August. Through. Bull candle. Bear candle coming in. A little bit of pressure there. It look promising. Bear candle gapping up into a bull candle. Another bull candle gapping up again. Getting ready to hit this previous support. Resistance. Bear candle dropping down. There you go. Here comes the bulls. Like all the bulls that bought here are trapped. There you go. That was the earnings. Earnings dropped down. Bull candle gapping down into our bear candle gapping down into a bear candle. Tons of volume there. So now all of these bulls are trapped. Everything that's happened all the way through June, July, really all the way back through here. The bears are definitely in control. Alright. Bear candle. Another bull. Having some pressure. Maybe we'll come up and fill this gap. Bear candle. Definitely lower lows and lower highs. That bear gapping down. It's like a pattern here, bull candles gapping down in the bull or bear candles, and then definitely continuing that trend downward. Bear candle. Here comes the bull. Bear candle gapping down, bull candle coming in, coming through. Still continuing down, lower lows, lower highs. A little bit of indecision. Coming through. Bear candle. Definitely looks like a doji there. Not that it matters, still an indecision candle. Keep going through here. We're still looking for a good setup. September is coming up. Bulls are coming in. Right now the 10 EMA. Bear candle. Okay, they'll cut up and down into a bear. We're all the way down to $69. We started at the 121 at the beginning of the year. We have gone all the way through September and have not seen anything that looks spectacular. But the bears have definitely been in control the whole year. Bear candle gapping down are definitely staying in control. Bear candle. There's nothing holding the bears back. Bull candle, you got some good value in there. Maybe we'll get an upward trend. It'd be great to get a nice high probability day trade or swing trade that comes up. A little bit of bear candle indecision. Bull candle gapping up into a bear. And coming right back down, filling that gap. Bears are staying in control. Whatever action has happened here, they're definitely trapped. Bull candle. Play this out a little bit and see what we get. Seems to be a lot of the same that's happened for all the previous year of 23, all the way up until October. If you were just taking 10 EMA trades, you would probably do well with it. We're looking for those high probability trades, not in the trading plan. Keep moving forward, pressure coming through. Bears are going to try for it. Getting up above the 10. Bear candle coming in. Bear candle gapping down. Definitely the trend has been coming up, rolling over, coming back down. But maybe we'll get this gap here. I'm hopeful. Another bear candle gapping down. 1, 2, 3, 4 bear candles in a row. A little bull indecision. So there's a bull candle gapping down into a bull candle. Nothing holding it back. It had a long run. It has not worked out well in the past. I don't know that I would be too excited about taking anything there. The bear, indecision. Bull, indecision. And the bear candle coming in, good volume there. Bear dropping down, gapping down from a bull. Good volume there on the bull side. Bull gapping up into a bull. Coming through over the 10 EMA. Comes the bears. They definitely have leveled out. Trying to figure out what they want to do. Quite an interesting year on Etsy. Bear candle. Volume's okay. Nothing great. Indecision. Bear candle coming through. Lay this out. Bear candle gapping up into a bear, or a bull candle was gapping up into a bull. Another nice gap there. Well, I even missed the earnings here. So gap. Good volume. Day after earnings. Indecision. Gapping up into a bull candle. Coming through. Looks like maybe there is a trend reversal here. Definitely got a little bit of resistance here on the 200. Coming through. Let me plug my computer in. It's about to die. Oh, come on. Computer is not wanting to charge. Alright, we'll keep moving forward here. Sorry about that. Keep moving forward. Looks like a good little trend. Bulls are coming in. Hopefully we can get above this 200 here. Keep moving up. Imagine what the investors are thinking on Etsy with this whole year of decline. Maybe they're going to make it a year-end battle to get back up. A little bit of bear coming in. Bear gapping down. Definitely have some resistance there. We need to see that get broken. Close above the 200. Definitely a strong close there. Bear or bull gapping up into a bull. Wide open spot. Let's get a bear in here. There we go. Let's gap up. See if we can get at least one trade in through this year. Bull candle, great compression. Gap, definitely taking charge there. The bear candle or bull candle. So used to seeing bears. Here comes the bulls. A little bit of retest. A little bit of rest. Definitely retesting it. Coming through. I hope this is not just going to roll over. Let's get this S-curve coming. Gap up. Move upwards here. Bull candle. Look at the volume on that. Looks promising. The bull candle. Interesting. Definitely inverted bear or inverted hammer candle. Lots of selling pressure. Looks good. Not what I was expecting. There you go. Start sinking pressure. Gap up. Moving through. Definitely have a trend reversal. We are at December 20th. So maybe the bulls would be happy for Christmas. Through, bears coming in. A little bit of a retest there. Coming in Friday, December 29th. Etsy ends at $81 for the year. Didn't see anything really that was intriguing or something that definitely caught my attention. Definitely can see where I need to practice. But for the first video, I'm okay with it. I did go back and day trade a lot of these. A lot of the bear candles gapping down. Some good day trades going through. But there's no real rhyme or reason to a lot of the day trades that I did look at. You did see that there's about 5 good day trading days in each month, at least for September, October, November, and December. But definitely have a lot to learn. Glad I got the bugs out and look forward to getting better on the next one. Just signing out. 58 minutes and we're done.